Hey everybody, we're here live for the Old Delhi Spice Markets. Old Delhi Spice. I don't know what the audio is going to be like because I've had to ditch my other microphone, but we'll give it a crack. A little bit of a walk around. So over here we've got the new masala tea. Masala tea. Let's go and have a look. Masala tea. There's a man making masala tea.
Ginger and cardamom, cinnamon, milk. Milk and water, like the boils, everything is mixed for the masala.
Yeah, so it's like we call chai tea back in New Zealand. Yeah. And there we go. Here we go. So lovely chili. Oh, sorry, boss. I'm getting run over by a man. I'm gonna be careful around there. Beautiful chili. Yeah. Hello. Now you said this was lotus flower.
Seed, Indian popcorn.
Indian popcorn.
Lotus flower seed.
Lotus flower seed. So is it light? Light to eat. Yeah. Yeah. Taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I have one? Just Oh, it's chewy. Oh, I've got Shakura. No, what is it? Sukriya. I'm learning how to speak. Sukriya. Okay, so in the markets we've got almonds, cardamom,
pistachio, coriander, cumin, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, mustard flower.
Everybody, you're live on Facebook. Is that okay? Yeah, good. So we walked through here before, but it was all closed up. Now it's much. Oh, look at this! I need to get a photo of that. Look at this. Look at that. So chili, turmeric. What have we got over there? Coriander?
Hot chili.
Hot chili. What's this one here? Ginger? What's this one here, my friend? Mango. So that there is mango. Look at the colour. Amazing. So we walked through here before. It was a lot more quiet. Everyone was okay. Just following. There you go. We're back. So you're controlling it now. How about you follow me? Turn around. Yeah, turn around. Face me. You can record me. Okay. You're now the cameraman. I got a cameraman now.
Yes.
So we're here in the old Delhi Spice Market. So we're having a look around. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but we're live on Facebook. Say hello. There we go. You work here? Yeah. Fantastic. So we're going to go back. We're just going to go back and have a look at some turmeric over here. I'm going to take a photo. And look at this chili. So you can really. Oh, we've got a man coming through. You can really smell it. Come back? Is the video come back? Yep. So we're back live again. So we keep losing the internet, but I'm just taking some photos of it. It's very impressive. So these sell in how many kilos?
You can buy some 100 kilo, 200 kg. Yes. A lot of.
Very cool. Should we walk this way and have a look? So we've got also these different sorts of chilies?
Different like a small one and black.
Yeah.
Color is different.
Beautiful. I might take over there and we'll have a look. Hi everyone, we're in, like I said before, we're in the Old Delhi Spice Market, and there's not just spices, but this is the world's largest markets. Cloves. So I'm sorry, we're walking through. We keep losing the internet. Sorry, everyone, but we're walking through the markets. You can just smell cloves and cinnamon and stuff.
I think the smell is like some different smell.
Yeah, lots of. Everyone's relaxing. They've obviously had a hard night. We got the turmeric over here. So this is turmeric before it's round up and obviously how we see it normally. Oh, we're back again. There's still actually people watching, even though we're losing the picture. So we've come back. We went through the spice market just before, and we went through the live little spice market out the back there just before, and there's that many wires and cords and things that I think that doesn't like the internet particularly well. So we're back here again. I'll swing this to show you the sights and sounds of Old Delhi. We'll walk back to where we came from. You guys can come with me as we walk around, and we might sign off soon. But that's some cigarette. Hello. I don't need cigarettes. No, I'm fine. Thank you. It's fine. Yeah, we'll sign off there, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thanks to our tour guide. You're a good man. Good man. And we'll catch up with you later. So we've been at the Old Delhi Spice Markets, having a look around, seeing some amazing things. I'll post up some photos and videos later on. And have a wonderful afternoon wherever you are. See ya.